All right, here we go, guys. We're gonna jump into the jellyfish. It's just like the bootlace, but a little bit different. Maybe add some more speed. It should be faster. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Familiarize. We're going around this, just like the bootlace, but instead we have to exit out right here. That last turn could get a little tricky. 9.4. 9.4. All right. So once again, it gives us an opportunity to go fast, but we have to make that turn. So that's kind of tough. So you have to modulate. So right here, you have to like slow down. A little bit of rear brake helps out. Right here, you got to shift really quick. You shift your body weight. 8.75. That was a nice little warm up. We had a good familiarization. Now we're going to go for time. 3. Remember, you always want to park it right here. 3, 2, 1. You notice how I'm like really shifting my body in the handlebars like that? Got to get used to doing that, guys, because it's about to get harder. 8.63. All right, let's jump into the next one.